Hello, my kings and queens in the building. Welcome you all back to my pretty channel, guys. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, I salute you. I really do appreciate you. And if today is your first time of seeing this face, guys, please do me the honor by subscribing to my channel. Like our videos, share, comment, give us thumbs up, and don't forget, please, always on your notification bell. On your notification bell so that anytime I bring out any video, you will be the first to see the video. In today's video, I'll be talking about the reason why our face is darker than our body. The reason why our face is darker than our body, guys. So I'm going to be telling you the reason why your face is darker than your body and what you can do to fix it as well. One of the reasons why your face is darker than your body, one is the sun. Second is skin bleaching. The third one is different products. The fourth one is stress. So let's talk about the sun. For instance, now it's summertime. I just came back from shopping. Most of us go out without putting on sunscreen. Most of us want to go out. All we do, we take our bath, we rub everything, put our makeup, and then go out. But that's not it. If you want to go out to the sun, please don't use any product that you're using, either whitening, bleaching, whatever you are using. Please do not apply it while going out to the sun. What you're going to do is this. If you want to go out, if you have vitamin E oil, if you have Nivea, whatever you have, apply it. After applying it, then apply your sunscreen. Then you can apply your makeup. And your sunscreen should not be only your face. It has to be your face, your neck, your hands, and your feet. And then you are set to go. And if you have to use any sunscreen, let it be 50 plus or 90. I went out myself, I just came back. I just got back, I have my sunscreen on, I have a little makeup on too. And then the second one, skin bleaching. You know, a lot of us do not know that you don't use the product you use on your body, on your face. Why? Because the product that is being made for the skin is a bit stronger than what they make for the face. Because our faces are very sensitive. So you don't apply your body lotion on your face. That is the reason why you see a lotion, they said it's body lotion and face cream. So if you're buying a body lotion, let it be body alone. And you're buying face cream and then it's for face alone. And another thing, a lot of people do mix different things. I've seen people who mix this, mix tube, mix this, mix that, and then they are rubbing it on their faces and that. First, it's going to make your face look older. Secondly, it's going to, as time goes back, your face is going to get dark because those things you are using are not for face. Look for a very good face cream and use. If you are somebody who is very sensitive and you don't know what to use, contact me and I will tell you what to use because I personally also have sensitive face. So using different products, you see some people, I've seen somebody mixing tubes, different kind of tube, and tube contains steroid. They mix steroids, they mix hydroquinone, they mix clobetasol, they mix mercury, they mix everything, and you start applying it on your face. It's not going to be good. Look for if you're somebody who has a sensitive face, look for something very mild for your face. And then the fourth one, which is the stress. Once you are stressed, Just take my words for it. Once you are stressed, no matter what you use, it will never work on your body. You see, even when you are very stressed, no matter what you use, you see that your face begin to get dark. You begin to get dark from your forehead. Everywhere get dark when you're under stress. So that's why I keep saying that we have to try our possible best to avoid anything that is going to give us stress. Run away from stress. Please, guys. Run away from stress. Please. Those people that miss so many things and rub on their faces. You see, a time comes that you go to the sun and before you know, your face begin to tan. Your face begin to tan. And then you begin to get worried. Oh, I'm using this, I'm that, and that. And my face, look at how my face is. So guys, you see, our face, before anybody look at anywhere of your body, the first thing that person is going to look at is your face. Your pretty face, guys. So let's try and take care of our faces. Please. So, and another thing again, when I said using products, don't forget we have different kind of, some people says you are bleaching. That is different type. We have people who bleaches their skin and people who lightens their skin. These are two different things entirely. I am going to talk about that, but not on today's video. And if you are using different products, that has hydroquinone, steroid, blah blah blah, blah everything, your skin is now going to be very, very sensitive to the sun. So what do? Put your sunscreen. Always put your sunscreen. Always let your sunscreen be your best friend. For instance, and when you're going to use sunscreen, don't use any sunscreen that is less than 50 plus. For instance, I use this one today. This one is 90. I don't know if you can see it. This one is 90 and this one is 50 plus. These are sunscreen I use. These are very good sunscreen I use. I'm going to come one of these days and talk about sunscreen as well, the good ones that you're going to use that is going to help you as well. And then don't forget, always put on glasses. If you have hat, put it on. Put it on and then you are really, really, really set to go. And then exfoliate your face, guys. We exfoliate our everywhere, but let's learn to always exfoliate our faces. We don't have to do it always, but at least once or twice a week we exfoliate our skin, our face as well. And don't forget, if you can also use chemical peel to peel the skin, but I will advise you to seek for a dermatologist's advice so that they will give you something that is going to peel off those things and then you have your face back, And whatever you are going to use, make sure it always have glycolic acid, because glycolic acid is very, very perfect. And once you are back from outside, if you go outside and once you are back from outside, now you are out and you are back, the first thing you should do, let me tell you something. Once you are back from outside, the first thing you should do is to wash your face. Take your face soap and then wash your face with cold water. Wash your face, and after washing your face, don't wipe it. Allow it to dry by itself. If possible, just leave it for maybe a couple of hours before anything. Okay? By doing so, your face is not going to be dark. Your face, your whole body is going to be the same. Guys, I would have loved to talk more, but I have to come to the we have just come to the end of this video, guys. There are so many things to talk about, but on today's video, we have come to the end of this pretty little video, guys. Please, if you like this video, please do not fail to subscribe. Give me a like, share, comment, okay? And then how do we do it? Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, my amazing people, take care. I love you. Bye bye.